Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in innovative products. Today, we've got something special for all you gardening enthusiasts out there. If you're looking to take your gardening game to the next level, then you've come to the right place. We're about to dive into the world of hydroponics with the best NFT hydroponic system available on the market. This hydroponic growing system is a game changer, and here's why. It's designed to provide you with the ultimate indoor gardening experience. Imagine having fresh, homegrown herbs, veggies, or even beautiful flowers right in your own home, all year round, without the need for soil. That's what this hydroponic system offers. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of this incredible product. It's brought to you by CYBSDF and comes with 12 pods for your plants. With an adjustable LED grow light, it's equipped with the latest SMD LED technology, delivering a full spectrum of light to promote optimal plant growth. Plus, it consumes just 35 watts of power, which is fantastic for energy efficiency. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features that make this hydroponic system a must-have. Thanks to its advanced LED grow light, this system accelerates plant growth by up to 5 times, even during the winter months when sunlight is scarce. The system uses the deep flow technique, where a professional water pump runs every 30 minutes, providing oxygen and nutrients directly to the roots. This not only promotes faster, healthier growth but also operates with minimal noise. With an ultra-large 4L water tank and a special nutrient formula, you'll be amazed by the 18 days of self-sufficient growth you can achieve with just one watering. The system's extendable rod allows you to grow a wide range of plants, from herbs to vegetables, even in apartments with limited sunlight. So, what do you get in the package? You'll receive the hydroponic system, plant food A and B, planting hats, planting baskets, biochar mud, an adapter, and a manual. Plus, the manufacturer offers a generous 360-day warranty and after-sales service for your peace of mind. Before we wrap up, let's check out what customers have to say. This product has received glowing reviews for its ease of assembly, fast growth, and giftable nature. Customers are loving the fact that it's beginner-friendly and perfect for both seasoned gardeners and newcomers. So, there you have it, folks, the best NFT hydroponic system available in the market today. If you're ready to take your gardening to the next level, whether it's for fresh herbs, crisp veggies, or vibrant flowers, this hydroponic system from CYBSDF is a fantastic choice. If you found this video informative and you're excited to try out this hydroponic system, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your gardening buddies, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. And as always, the links to purchase this incredible hydroponic system are in the video description below. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. Until next time, happy gardening!